Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 DUCATI STREETFIGHTER V4S. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2022 DUCATI STREETFIGHTER V4S with 145 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, and a quick shifter. It's been upgraded with Ducati carbon fiber air box cover, a rear fender, a chain guard, a front fender, domino grips, Rizoma mirrors, a fuel cap, bar ends, a special parts clutch reservoir, a front brake reservoir, and a tank pad. Powered by an 1104cc V4 engine, the StreetFighter puts 208 horsepower and 90 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 4.2-gallon fuel capacity, the StreetFighter has a 125 to 145 mile range. It has a 33.3-inch seat height and a 440-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 5/30 seconds and the rear at 8/30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider a flaw not caused by normal riding. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile comprehensive warranty and continued 90-day, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.